This is a roll of soft urethane foam. We use it to create parts for electronics, medical, and countless other industries. It's just one of the many materials we use at PGC to create solutions and specialized parts for our customers. Parts that help electronics scan, medical devices function, construction companies build, and even let you mow your lawn. Parts that help with sound and vibration control, adhesive fastening, gaskets and seals, EMI, RFI shielding, and thermal management solutions. We've been in the manufacturing business for a long time, but we don't just make parts. We become your partner, with you at every step of the part development process. Our dedicated applications engineers help you solve problems and meet stringent performance requirements. And our vast knowledge of and access to materials lets you accelerate development and get better products to market faster. We always maintain our BMS to the latest AS9100 certification and use continuous improvement processes for quality and lifetime value. Since 1950, we've been learning, growing, and continually solving problems for our customers. With the most up-to-date manufacturing capabilities and a strict commitment to quality, we provide them with parts to help their products get off the ground. No matter how small, we do our part.